Hi, my name is Palin. I'm the co-owner of Hana Restaurant. We are actually a modern fusion Japanese restaurant. We fuse Japanese food with whatever that we can fuse with. Everything is like quite theatrical here. We felt that Japanese restaurants are usually quite intimidating in a way. So we wanted to make it very casual. Our servers will go up to you and we explain the food to you. We just want to have a lot of interactions with the customer. We just want to make the experience enjoyable. With this, when you walk out of Hana, you always remember us. So here at Hana, we also do omakases. We have the $68 omakase and the $88 omakase. For today, we'll be presenting the $68 omakase to you. It's slightly different, of course, as per usual in Hana. So it's gonna be a little out of the box. There will be 6 courses. The first course will be the flaming sashimi. It will be a Thai sea bream. We will set a pot up on fire and we will do it like campfire style. It will still be raw on the inside, but it will be slightly cooked on the outside. The skin of the fish will be slightly crisp. So we do aburi style in a different take, rather than just using a torch to just torch the sashimi. So the next course will be the waterfall donut. It's actually sushi rice donut at the bottom, a katsu donut on top. So it's actually like a meat donut, and we fry it, and then we'll have this layer outside whereby we'll be lifting it off after we pour the curry on top of it, like a waterfall. The third course will be the flying noodles, which we are famous for. The flying noodles is the truffle plum somen, which is actually pink in color. We levitate the noodles up by making our own chopstick holders. And then it comes with uni as well, and scallops on the side. And the fourth course is the longest maki, I believe, in Singapore. So we actually customized this box so that we can do the long maki. We wanted to do a long maki because I don't think that it's been done yet in Singapore. So we wanted to show people something different. There will be 2 different flavors on both sides. For one side, it will be unagi, and then the other side will be salmon cheese maki. And then we will torch it in front of you, garnish the thing in front of you. The next course will be the nori dirty bun. For one period of time in Singapore, the dirty bun was a talk of the town. So we wanted to do a different version. So we used the mantou, and then we cover it with nori. We have unagi with tamago inside with salted egg. So when you eat it, you will actually have all the nori all covered all over your mouth. We just wanted to make it more fun. You can really just be yourself and just relax. Last course will be the avocado ice cream. We retain the avocado skin, and then we use the flesh, make it into an ice cream, and then we will remold it in. If these sit look alike, there's actually chocolate salted caramel cake. It is made to look like an avocado. I think that Hana is special in a way because it's really something that you don't really see down the street. It's a place that you can come with your family, you can come as a couple, you can come with anybody, and it's gonna be relaxed. You can just really be yourself here.